Hey there, this is Tyler from WTFx, and today we're introducing a whole new tutorial series, and I'm extremely excited about it. Now, don't worry, we will still be bringing you the same content that you're used to. However, we're going to be bringing more of it, and to help me introduce this is Joe. Joe, go ahead and say hi.
Hi.
Joe is currently going to school for editing at LMU, and he's worked with us a few times in the past, and he's absolutely interested in learning about visual effects, but as Joe will explain, there are times where VFX actually aren't needed. Isn't that right, Joe?
Yeah, that's right. So these new tutorials aren't going to be very different in style from what you guys have already seen, but as Tyler was saying, they're more about editorial fixes and less about visual effects fixes. For example, Tyler has gotten requests from productions to paint out boom mics that are hanging into the top of the frame. And while you can fix that with a paint out, it's a lot easier to fix it with simple editorial changes. So that's what these new tutorials are going to cover.
The nice thing about this is if you are an editor, this will absolutely help you. If you're a visual effects artist who gets these types of shots, this will show you how to fix them cheaply. Now, Joe, what is this tutorial series called?
This new series is Joe's Totally Real, Not Fake tutorials.
All right, well, I'm very excited about this and look forward to these new tutorials.
I look forward to them too. Thank you.
All right, everybody, keep an eye out for Joe's Totally Real, Not Fake tutorials. Thank you.